Hi all. I wanted to share with you guys what I found. So in researching more options for dog treats for the dogs, I found a great recipe and I wanted to try it out, and I'm going to share with you guys to show you how it worked and if our dog likes it. I'm excited to see it. So it's really one ingredient: sweet potatoes. That's it. Makes it super easy. And really what we're doing, as you can see, is I'm making these into the coin size. And 1/4 of an inch thick. We don't want to make it any thinner than that. Because it's going to be too crispy. So we want it to be chewy. It's pretty simple. I know you can do it on a food processor. I don't really think we have the food processor, but at least for any of you guys that also don't have a food processor, you can cut up a little sweet potato, and not a big deal for anybody to do this, and especially for this time of the year. There's plenty of sweet potatoes in the store. It's December right now, so I know throughout the year they're not always available, but right now they are. And it's kind of fun to have it as a holiday treat or an easy treat to grab. So you can see I'm almost done. I've got 2 sweet potatoes here, but because I wanted to see how this works, I'm just going to do this one and test it out and then show you guys how it comes out. And I'm just trying to make sure I don't cut my fingers. And Aaron's over there probably snickering and wondering why I didn't ask him, but I can do it.
I have faith in you.
He trusts me. So we've got this. That's it. We don't even have to put anything on there. These are going to get nice and prepped. They're going to sit in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours. And it's just going to be on 250. So remembering that we don't want them to get crispy, because this is for dog chew treats. So we're going to show you what those look like when they come out. But first of all, I wanted to make sure and tell you why I'm really excited about having sweet potatoes to give as treats. So I didn't even know this. I mean, I knew that they had fiber, but they're actually the second highest vegetable in fiber. And they also have the vitamins like B6, C, and A. And the coloring comes from beta carotene. And in dogs, that converts to vitamin A, which is fantastic because that helps things for their body like their vision and their bone growth and even their skin and reproduction. So not just a simple, great, easy snack for them, but it's also healthy. It's just going to be a chewy treat. So I'll tell you more about them when they come out of the oven. Okay, we're back. These have finished. It's so easy. I had it in for about 2.5 hours, closer to 3 hours. Hopefully you can see. One side ended up being a little bit lighter than the other side. This is the side that I turned it a little bit later than it called for. Like it said to flip them over about halfway through. I didn't. I took like the last 20 minutes and flipped them over. So this side is definitely more orange. And they're supposed to be like this, shriveled up. Some might be a little bit more crispy or softer than others. Totally fine, because of course you've got your different sizes. But that's it. And then store in an airtight container and in the fridge, and they can be in there for 3 weeks. Like the recipe calls for doing 2 sweet potatoes. I just did the one, as you guys can see. That way, if she doesn't like it, if she doesn't go through them too fast, then I haven't wasted a sweet potato. But if she likes them, then we'll definitely go through these faster than the 3 weeks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe, especially if you found value. And we appreciate it. Talk to you later. Okay, bye.